Curves in Love Japanese drama. When Nao was 6 years old, her mother worked at a wagashi, that is the Japanese cultural shop that has been open for 4 years. Nao and her single mother live at the wagashi shop. Meanwhile, the Subaki was also 6 years old at that time. His father runs the wagashi shop and he is a friend with Nao. One morning, the Subaki father is found dead and covered in blood. He was stabbed to death. Based on the Subaki testimony, the Nao mother is arrested for the murder and Nao is kicked out of the Wagashi shop. 15 years later, the Nao and Subaki meet again at a Wagashi competition. Nao recognizes him, but he does not recognize her. Nao hates the Subaki. She believes he is the reason for her mother being falsely accused of a murder and dead. Subaki, unaware of Nao's identity, become interested in her and wanting to break off a family arranged marriage. The Subaki now propose to Nao, but now she has the opportunity to become a part of his family and finally prove her family innocence and to take revenge. Takane to Hana. The Hana is a 16-year-old girl. A blind date is set for her older sister Yukari, but Yukari doesn't want to attend the blind date, which is to find a suitable marriage partner. Hana pretends to be the Yukari and meets the 26-year-old Takane on a blind date. Hana wants to finish the meeting without any trouble, but Takane, who is the successor of a large company, acts arrogantly to her. Hana gets so upset at him that she throws her wig at him and leaves. Takane becomes interested in a Hana, who does not care about his handsome appearances on his financial status, and she is real on front of him. After that, we have Hana Nikeda Mono. The Kyumi is a transfer student at the prestigious high school. She meets the Hyo, who is a handsome and a kind, and Kyumi falls in love with him and has her first kiss with him. But Hyo is famous for being a womanizer at a school. After she discovers his true side, she gets hurt, but her feeling for him doesn't go away. But he is still a playboy for in front of her. But also he also tried to change himself because of her, but it is not easy for both of them to become a lover for a real. After that, we have a perfect crime. The Kiaru works as an interior designer for a housing manufacturer. She is in a secret relationship with her boss Fuyuki for a year. Fuyuki is a married man and Kiaru cannot see any future with him, but she still loves him and continue their relationship. One day, the Haruto appears in front of her. The Haruto is a young interior designer who was just transferred from a New York office. Haruto happens to see the Kiaru and Fuyuki having an affair. Meanwhile, the Kiori and Haruto becomes to work together as a partner at a work. The meeting, the Haruto and Kiori fate changes and everything goes up and down and they become the enemy and the lover. After that, we have Hanayori Dango. It is about a poor girl who is a bright student, high school student named Makino, who attends an exclusive high school where only the rich students go. She ends up having encounter with the bachelor F4 group and experiences love and a friendship. The F4 group is very arrogant, rude, and also the bullying, but she doesn't go in front of her with the normal eyes. And meanwhile, she is the only girl who stands in front of them with a strong girl highlight, and this impresses the leader of the F4 group. After that, we have a Good Morning Call Our Campus Day. This is the second season of a Good Morning Call drama. The Yoshikawa now stays behind to live by herself when her parents leave to inherit her grandpa farm in the country. On the day she moves into her new apartment, she discovers that it was also rented to the Yureishi Hisashi, a cute, super cool, popular guy from her school. Not only did their housing agency unexpectedly close down, the landlord of the apartment tells them that they have to pay the more for their apartment than they had expected. With no money and no option and no home to return, the Nao and Hisashi try to live with one another, but they still don't want to live with one another, but they manage to be the good roommate in front of others. After that, we have Love Will Last Forever. In this, we will see the Nanase Sakura is a 23-year-old rookie nurse. She met a Dr. Kairi Tendo several years ago and fell in love with him. To meet him again, she studied hard and became a nurse. After 5 years, she finally meets Kairi Tendo again, but he has a totally different personality than what she was imagined. He is a 31-year-old, is commonly referred to as the devil at work. He is a level-headed perfectionist and arrogant to another. Nanase Sakura worked hard to receive the recognition from him, and she also expresses her feeling honestly to him. Due to her persistence, the Nanase Sakura becomes well known at the hospital and she picks up the nickname of the warrior. Meanwhile, the Kairi Tendo becomes attracted to the Nanase Sakura and her true feelings and her innocence. And this arrogant, rude, and a cold man start to fall in love with the innocence and a cute girl.